In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Paperform. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to paperform.co. Once the website loads, sign into your account to access the dashboard. This is where all of your forms and projects are organized, so if you're brand new to the platform, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout before moving on. After you're logged in, look for the Create Form button on your dashboard and click it. This is the starting point for building a new form, whether you want something simple like a contact form or something more detailed for surveys, bookings, or registrations. Paperform is designed to be flexible, so this first click opens the door to several different creation options. Next, you'll choose how you want to begin. You can select Start from Scratch if you want full control and prefer building everything yourself from a blank page. Or, if you like a faster setup, you can choose a pre-made template. Templates are especially helpful if you want a polished structure already in place and just need to customize the content. Either option works well, so choose the one that matches your comfort level and the kind of form you want to make. Once you've made that choice, type a name for your form. Pick something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple forms later on. A good name makes it much easier to stay organized when you return to your dashboard. After entering the name, click Create to open the form editor. Now you're inside the main editing area. From here, click anywhere on the canvas to start adding content. This is where you can build your form by inserting text, questions, or media. For example, you might add a short introduction at the top, then include fields for the information you want to collect, and even place images or other visual elements to make the form more engaging. The canvas is designed to be interactive, so clicking directly into the page makes the editing process feel natural and straightforward. As you add content, take your time to review the layout and make sure everything reads clearly from the visitor's perspective. Keeping the form clean and easy to understand will help improve the experience for anyone filling it out. When you're happy with your progress, click the Save button in the top right corner. This ensures your work is stored and ready for any further edits. It's always a good habit to save after making changes so you don't lose anything accidentally. And that's how to create a form in Paperform.